Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to reveal something that will absolutely blow your mind. I recently uncovered a YouTube Shorts channel that's making over $300,000 a month. And the most shocking part? It's almost entirely run using AI. No human faces, no on-camera talking, no fancy production, just smart use of artificial intelligence, automation, and strategy. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how they're doing it, what I discovered, and how you can replicate this system even if you're just starting out. Let's rewind a bit. I was researching how shorts are performing in 2025 because, let's be honest, shorts are taking over the platform. They're easy to consume, addictive, and YouTube is pushing them like crazy. While going down that rabbit hole, I stumbled upon a particular channel that caught my attention. At first glance, it looked like any other motivational content page. Short, punchy videos with quotes, success stories, dramatic music, and viral captions. But when I dug deeper, I realized something strange. The upload schedule was insane, like 10 to 20 videos a day, consistently. That alone got me thinking, is this even humanly possible? So, I decided to analyze it. And the deeper I went, the crazier things got. Every single part of this channel's content was being created with AI. The scripts, generated using tools like ChatGPT, short motivational messages, viral hooks, and emotional punchlines, all written within seconds. The voiceovers, not real voices. They were AI generated, using tools like 11 Labs or similar platforms that let you create studio-quality narration without ever speaking a word. The visuals, all stitched together from stock footage, animated templates, or AI-generated visuals using tools like Pictory, Canva, and Runway ML. Even the video editing, the zoom-ins, text overlays, background music, all of it was done using automation. No Adobe Premiere, no Final Cut, just smart software doing all the heavy lifting. I wanted to know how much money this channel was really making, so I ran the numbers. Based on their upload frequency, engagement rate, and the types of niches they were covering, especially high CPM topics like motivation, finance, and entrepreneurship. I estimated their YouTube AdSense revenue alone to be around $100,000 plus a month. But that's just the beginning. They had affiliate links. They had digital product funnels. They had sponsorship deals, even on shorts. Altogether, this anonymous channel was likely making between $250,000 to $300,000 every single month. And here's the craziest part. This entire system can be replicated. Not easily, but definitely. You don't need to be a YouTuber. You don't need a camera. You don't need a microphone. What you need is a system, a content pipeline, an understanding of how the algorithm works, and the willingness to let AI do 80% of the work. So many people think success on YouTube is only possible if you're charismatic, on camera, and super creative. But this case proves the opposite. The truth is, we're now in a world where quiet, strategic creators, the ones behind the curtain, are building massive businesses powered by content automation. Before I wrap up, let me leave you with something practical. In the second half of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can set up your own automated YouTube Shorts channel using AI. Step by step, using free tools, from writing the script to creating the voiceover and editing the final video. I'll walk you through the process I reverse engineered from this $300,000 per month monster of a channel. So stay tuned, and if you're ready to take YouTube seriously, without ever showing your face, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Let's jump in. And there you have it, the truth behind a faceless, AI-powered YouTube Shorts channel that's quietly pulling in over $300,000 every single month. Now the question is, are you going to sit back and just watch others do it, or are you going to take action? We're in a new era of content creation where you don't need a fancy camera, you don't need editing skills, and you definitely don't need to be on screen. All you need is the right tools, the right mindset, and the willingness to start. If this video opened your eyes or gave you ideas, smash that like button so the algorithm knows this is content worth spreading. Drop a comment below if you want me to break down a real step-by-step guide or reveal more AI tools that creators are secretly using. And don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon on. because what I'm sharing in upcoming videos could literally change the way you think about content. Thanks for watching. Now go build something powerful.